Are you still looking for Spring 25 intake in US? So this video is for you. This is going to be part 2. Part 1 we have already posted. You can check the description box. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Pranay, founder director of Edu Nirvana. So before starting this video, you can like, share and subscribe to our channel to watch such videos. The deadlines mentioned below can vary from program to program, so make sure before you apply, check the university official website. So let's start with our first university we're gonna talk about. This university is known as University of Cincinnati and it is located at Ohio, Cincinnati. The university listed among the world's most beautiful campuses, named among the world's 100 most innovative universities. It's one of the Midwest's top incubator for startups. Number 1 public university for co-op, number 3 overall. Let's see the admission requirement for this university. For IELTS, they need 6.5 overall, not less than 6. They also accept TOEFL 79 and Duolingo 100 plus. For the tuition fees or average tuition fees for this university is around $24,000 per year, and they also offer scholarship to international students that is up to $10,000 per year. The popular programs for this university is business, management, marketing and other support services program, health professions related programs, engineering programs, biological and biomedical sciences, visual and performing arts. So the 1st November is the deadline for Spring 25 intake. The second university in this list is Arizona State University. The location of this university is Tempe, Arizona. The historic Tempe campus offers hundreds of majors that engage undergraduate and graduates in multidisciplinary research programs. For the 5th straight year, US News and World Report named ASU the number 1 school in the nation for innovation ahead of MIT and Stanford. This is 32 in the best business schools by US News and Report. Let's discuss the admission requirement. So overall 6.5 in IELTS, 79 in TOEFL, and they also accept Duolingo for many programs. Most of the graduate program they need GRE. Make sure you take GRE if you want to apply for the business analytics kind of program. And the average tuition fees for this university is around 27,000 USD per year, and they are very generous in terms of scholarship for undergrad students. When it comes to the popular program, let's see. The programs are psychology, business, computer science, business analytics, finance, marketing, communications, liberal arts and humanities, and also the nursing program. So these are the most popular programs at ASU. The deadline for this university is 1st November for the Spring 25 intake. So let's talk about our number 3. This university is Illinois Springfield, located at Springfield, Illinois. This university is just 6 miles southeast of Springfield, adjacent to Lake Springfield and Lincoln Land Community College. 22% of students in this university are international students. So let's discuss about their admission requirement. So for IELTS, they need 6 for most of the program and 79 in TOEFL. They also accept Duolingo and they also give GRE waiver for graduate programs. So the average tuition fees for this university is around 21,000 USD per year. They are generous in terms of scholarship. They also provide scholarship up to 10,000 to international students. Let's talk about their popular programs. So the popular programs are computer science, psychology, accounting, biology, biological science, and many more. The deadline for the university is 1st November for Spring 25. The next university in our list is Auburn University, located at Auburn, Alabama. This university is a small, friendly university town in the rolling hills of East Central Alabama with a small population of 60,000 people. Auburn University ranked 93 in the top national universities in 2024 by US News and World Report. Admission requirement for this university is 79 in TOEFL, 6.0 in IELTS. They also accept Duolingo for many programs. The average tuition fees for this university is around $30,000 per year. When it comes to scholarship, they also give scholarship to international students up to 10,000 USD per year. The popular programs at this university are business, management, marketing, engineering related programs, biological and biomedical sciences program, health professional related programs, and communication journalism related programs. The deadline for this university is 15th November 2024 for Spring 25 intake. The next university in our list is University of Alabama at Birmingham. Alabama Birmingham is located at Alabama. It is also known as Magic City. UAB is an internationally renowned public research university. This university have an Institute for Innovation and Entrepreneurship which helped many students to launch their startups. So this is a unique and very good public university. This also ranks 142 in national universities by US News and World Ranking. Admission requirement for this university is 80 in TOEFL, 6.5 in IELTS, 120 in Duolingo. They also waived GRE for many programs. You can check with the university and their website, official website. So the average fees for this university is around 38,000 USD per year. They also offer scholarship up to $4,000 to $5,000 per year. The popular programs at this university are business, public health, biology, international studies, neuroscience, and English literature or English related programs. The deadline for this university for most of the program is first week of November. Make sure you check the official website before you apply for Spring 25 intake. So these are the universities that are still open. That was a part 2 video, and there are many more universities. They are accepting applications for Spring 25 intake. To know more, you can contact us. You can book your appointment with our expert counselors. That's all for now. Keep following our channel for more such updates and videos. If you like this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.